In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails on Wix. If you're managing a website on Wix and want to automate your email communications, you've come to the right place. Automated emails can be a great way to keep your audience engaged without having to manually send messages. Let's dive right in and get started on setting up those automated emails. First, head over to the Wix homepage. Once you're there, navigate to the dashboard where you can find your website management tools. Look for the section labeled Automations and click on it. This will take you to the area where you can manage existing automations or create new ones. Now that you're in the Automation section, you'll want to click on Create Automation. This will allow us to build a new automated workflow. For our purposes today, select the option that says Email guests who register to a waitlist. This step is crucial if you're looking to send automated emails to those who sign up for a particular event or offer on your website. After selecting the appropriate option, you'll see a button labeled Setup. Click on this to open the configuration window where you can fine-tune the details of your automation. In this window, select Send an Email to specify that the action you'll be automating is an email send-out. It's important to ensure that every step is correctly configured, as any oversight might affect the automation process. Next, click on Edit, which will allow you to modify the details of the email to be sent. This includes entering the Reply To email address, which is essential for letting your recipients know how they can respond to you. Also, you'll need to fill in the sender's name. This step helps personalize your emails and establish trust with your audience, as they'll see who the email is from. With those details saved, you can proceed by clicking on Save. After saving, you have the opportunity to type in any additional code if required by your automated process. This can include special tags or personalizations that make your emails even more engaging. Confirm your settings by clicking on Confirm. Once confirmed, your next step is to click on Create an Email. If you wish to leverage some advanced technology, choose the option Create with AI. This feature can help you craft personalized and effective email content using artificial intelligence, making the email writing process faster and more efficient. After the email is created, simply click Apply to set these settings into action. Then, make sure to save your entire workflow by clicking Save again. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully set up an automated email on Wix, making your communication with your audience streamlined and less time-consuming. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your Wix website.